I need a to-do list. Hey crafters, my name is Rabia and I'm the London Craft Girl. On this channel, I like to share elegant and beautiful craft tutorials because the world is just a better place when you made something that wasn't there before. I know I'm constantly feeling overwhelmed by the number of things I need to remember to do. If it's not packing the kids' swimming kit, then it's getting the laundry done or ordering that birthday gift that I've forgotten to get. So I have decided I need a to-do list. But being a crafter, I'm not just gonna go for any old to-do list, right? I am enlisting the help of my Cricut Joy to personalize this beautiful chalkboard to make a to-do list I would happily hang in my home or here in the craft room. Before we get started, I would like to thank Ryman for sending me the supplies that we're using in today's project. Did you guys know that Ryman sell crafting supplies? It's not just stationery. They have Cricut machines, they have the accessories, they have materials. I will link their website for you below to go and check out the next time you need to stock up. But let's get on with our project. Let's head over to Design Space. You'll find the project link in the description below. It's all set and ready for the 30 by 40 centimeter chalkboard available on the Ryman website. But you can easily resize it for whichever blank you're going to use. You might want to use a whiteboard or a black chalkboard. You know, there are loads of options for what blank you guys go for. And today we will be using this beautiful Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl Sampler Set. It's got these beautiful colors in it. They complement each other so nicely. We're going to use all three of them in the project. If you guys need to know a little bit more about Smart Vinyl and the Cricut Joy itself, then please check out my Cricut Joy unboxing video. I will link it for you in the description below. It's definitely a great place to start if you are a beginner with the machine. So since I have already sized up my design for the blank I'm using, I'm going to go straight through to make it. I'll cut everything out by color and then we will assemble the project. This is what the project looks like in Design Space. The first thing I'm going to do is to hide that grey and white box. I only put those in to get an idea of what the final design would look like, but we're not going to be cutting these out. So just select them and then hide from the layers panel. Now make sure you've selected the correct machine, so we're using the Cricut Joy, and then go straight through to make it. So as we're using Smart Vinyl, on this screen you can select without matte and then press continue. And on the next screen, select Smart Vinyl Permanent as your base material. And all you have to do now is to load the fine point blade into your Cricut machine, load your smart material and cut each of the three vinyl colors in turn. Now that everything has been cut, I'm going to use painter's tape to create some guides for myself on the chalkboard, just to make sure that I apply everything, you know, in straight lines. I also grabbed this random piece of cardstock. I just wanted something with a right angle so I can place this on my chalkboard against the frame, and then I can align my painter's tape along the top of this, and then that way it will be perfectly perpendicular to the sides of the frame. For the little checklist bullet points, I've again applied some masking tape to get the line perfectly perpendicular to the base of the frame. And then I'm just gonna lay a ruler on top and I will use that to help me space these as I apply them. I've just cut them, I'll do them one at a time. So there we have it, a to-do list that doesn't just look beautiful, but is going to help me get organized, get things done, and just feel way less stressed. I hope it does the same for you, and if you're in the mood for some more crafting while you're here, check out this playlist of my most popular tutorials. I'll catch you in the next video, and until then, happy crafting!